What is going on, guys? It's your boy YKTV Frenchie, and y'all know the vibes. In today's video, we're doing more work to the Civic, as I shown in the previous clips before. Took out the interior to try to install the subwoofer, but guess what? That subwoofer was defective. So I wasted all my time in trying to put a subwoofer in, and now I have to put in the interior, so I'm just cleaning up the pieces slowly, plucking away at it. Hopefully by the end of the night we'll have the interior in. I'm not going to show much of it. I feel like I could take apart this interior, so I don't feel like it's too hard or too many things to explain. So I have the before footage of when I did do it, and we're gonna just snap into the after. So let's get to it. Let's get to work. Alrighty, guys, we got the back seat in. I'm leaving that back this part of the back seat undone just because, so you guys can see, this is like literally disintegrating and it's kind of ganj, but yeah, I got the whole side piece on, speaker back in, and this is just literally one bolt here and then 2 clips, so it's not too bad to get at. So yeah, we'll catch back up with you guys pretty soon here. It's 9 o'clock almost, so gotta get ready for work. Well, guys, as you can see, made a lot of progress, a lot of headway. The fronts are back in, as you guys saw. I ended up putting adjustable control arms in the front. Now we have to do the backs as well. As you guys saw from the first video of this series, my camber wear is kind of weird, it's kind of crazy, so we wanted to fix that this year. I'm going to insert the clip again. You can see the bad camber wear, but now we got the adjustable control arms in. Fitment is a little bit weird, but we're just going to run with it because I'm hoping, crossing my fingers, that I can get a new set of wheels this season. That's probably one of the biggest goals for this car, is to get a new set of wheels this year, so you can look fresh and clean. You know, I've been craving some chromies, and yeah, so I don't know what this video is like. I don't really know the content of this video, but I'm super excited of the progress that's been going on. I've been grinding, not only on the car, but just in life in general. So if you guys want to chase something, if you guys want to build something cool, if you guys want to do something cool just in life in general, just work hard and kind of build a good support team, build people that are knowledgeable around that stuff so they can help you out. Always big shout out to the old man. Did a lot of work on the control arms. I helped with the passenger side, but he did all the driver side himself. So wouldn't be here with the car if it wasn't for him. So yeah, probably cut to the backs being done. We're gonna do that either tonight or on Thursday or Friday. So yeah, just a lot of work, a lot of time, but we're making progress. We're going forward in the right direction. So I'll catch up with you guys once the rear is done.
Sounds drive.
Well, guys, as you can see, the car is on the road. So, W in the chat. As you saw, we fixed up the clear coat. When I mean fixed, I mean it wasn't a great job, but it does look better from 10 feet away. So I guess we'll take our small wins, right? And the new wheels, we ended up painting the old rims, but once we put the camber kit on, it actually sunk the wheels and made the car look kind of goofy. So I decided to stick with these, the 18s, and I think it's a great look. Honestly, the fitment is kind of insane. Never thought that I would have something that looked this cool, so I'm super stoked on that. And yeah, I'm just overall super stoked to drive the car. Hopefully we'll make a driving video. I think that would be kind of cool. Driving my abandoned turbo Civic for the first time. We'll clickbait it or something like that, guys. You already know. But yeah, the weather kind of bad today, but I wanted to finish up this video because I know I'm gonna have some time to edit it this weekend, so that's what I'm gonna try to do. But yeah, so if you guys like the videos, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy YKTV Frenchie, and we're signing off with another banger video. Thanks, guys. Peace.